Get data into Celonis, how to import and prepare data for dashboards. This video is for beginners, RPA and ERP professionals and analysts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we talked about how to start with Celonis process mining. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure you check out this link. Today we will focus on a super important topic, how to get data into Celonis. Without data, you can't analyze anything, right? I will show you all the ways to bring your ERP or system data into Celonis, how to prepare it, and tips to avoid common mistakes. Section 1. Why data is the core of process mining. Before we jump in, let's understand why this matters. Celonis is not only as good as the data you feed it. We are looking at event logs. These are records of business activities with timestamps. Without clean, structured data, dashboards, and insights, we will be inaccurate or confusing. Think of it like baking a cake. If your ingredients are bad, the cake won't taste good. Same with process mining. So, in section 2, types of data you can bring into Celonis. Celonis can consume data from multiple sources. Here is what you can use: ERP systems like under ERP, SAP ECC or S4HANA, Oracle EBS or Oracle Fusion, Microsoft Dynamics. Next is the other business systems: ServiceNow, Salesforce or Jira, MES, PLM, HR systems. Next is flat files. Flat files, CSVs, Excel or database exports. Databases like SQL Server, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle DB. In short, if it has timestamps and activity logs, Celonis can handle it. Step 1. Connect your data source. Connecting your system to the Celonis, you have two main ways: pre-built connectors, where Celonis provides ready-made connectors for SAP, Oracle, Salesforce and other platforms. Benefits: faster setup, fewer errors and optimized for process mining. Next one is manual upload, either CSV or Excel. Good for practice demos or when you don't have system access. Make sure your files contain case ID, activity, timestamp, and optionally attributes like user, amount, or status. One advice I would like to give you: always start with a simple sample file to test your connection before moving to full data. Step 2. Prepare your data. Raw data is rarely ready for process mining. You need to clean and structure it. Ensure each case ID represents a unique process instance. Each activity must be clearly named. Avoid duplicates or typos. Include timestamps in proper date or time format. This is optional. Add attributes for deeper analysis like amount, location, departments. Celonis also allows you to join multiple tables. For example, you can combine your order table with your invoice table to see the full order to cash journey. Step 3. Load data into Celonis. Once your data is ready, it's time to bring it into Celonis. Go to Celonis Data Integration or Data Modeler. Click Create New Data Connection. Select your source system or upload files. Map column, case ID, activity, and timestamp. Validate your data before saving. Celonis will then generate a data model. This is the structure your dashboards will use. Now, step 4. Validate and explore your data. After loading, don't jump to dashboard yet. First, validate your data. Check: are all cases and activities correct? Are timestamps logical? Are there missing or duplicate records? You can use Process Explorer to see the happy path and variants. This helps confirm that your data is complete and correct. One advice: start small. Focus on one process like order to cash and expand once you are confident. One more advice I would like to give you: for smooth data import, always use sample data first. Clean your source data before importing. Use descriptive activity names. Document your data sources and mapping. Check data refresh schedules if you are connecting to live systems. These small steps saves a lot of headaches later. And that's how you get data into Celonis, from connecting systems to cleaning, mapping and validating it. Once your data is ready, you are all set to create dashboards, analyze processes and drive real business insights. In my next video, I will show you how to build your first Celonis dashboard and visualize process insights. That's where the real magic happens. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment your questions or topics you want me to cover next. Let's make process mining simple together. Thank you.